I mean, I know how that's politics. I know the Liberals want to talk about this. I know why the labor unions do. But a national broadcaster, how is it news that a franchise owner doesn't like a minimum wage hike? But let me read the first few lines of this breathless, super long story. A staff memo written by a couple of Tim Hortons franchise owners in Whitby, Ontario, blames cuts to employee benefits on the Ontario government and its minimum wage hike. The notice also suggests employees contact Premier Kathleen Wynne if they have concerns about the changes and let her know she doesn't have their support. Quote, I encourage you to let her know how your workplace will change as a result of her new minimum wage law and that you will not vote Liberal in the coming Ontario election in June 2018, says the notice, which lists Susan and Jason Holman as the authors. Okay, so what's the problem? I mean, what's even the news here? Well, the problem is obvious. A small businessman was engaging in wrongthink. He was telling his staff that he doesn't like the Liberals, that they're making his business difficult, that they should contact the Liberals and tell them about that. Those are improper opinions at the CBC, of course, because it is a state broadcaster funded by the Liberals. Now scroll down the webpage. The CBC, if you look at the website, the CBC even creeped the Tim Hortons owner's social media account for pictures of them just to name and shame them. Now I get it, the Liberal war room trying to humiliate any entrepreneurs. Big bully union bosses doing that, I get it. But the state broadcaster engaged in political hygiene policing, doxing any businessman who isn't clapping loud enough for his own demise. So you're going to social media accounts now and you're getting personal pictures of an owner and his family and you're just trying to embarrass them as a news story, and you're the government broadcaster. That's an excerpt from my daily TV show, The Ezra Levant Show. Normally it's behind a paywall, but I thought you'd like this video, so we put it on YouTube. If you want to subscribe to watch the daily show every day, including always 2 interviews a day, and I read my hate mail, just click on this screen and become a premium member.